I think all of the stigma around romance comes from men. There was an entire generation of men who seemed very threatened and freaked out by the notion that women would have, first of all, an entire genre all to themselves, and that the books were about love and, along with that, sex.
I started reading romance when I was 12 years old. Both of us, I think, were looking for stories about women, and I in particular was looking for stories about women in history who got a happy ending, who weren't a footnote in a man's story.
And I think also what really brought us to romance was browsing in bookstores. We've always known how important community is, and I think given that we started from a crowdfunding platform, it's so ingrained in this business that was started by basically the two of us plus 610 other people who gave us their money to start. So we do all kinds of events that here locally. Our comedy night is one of our most popular events, and we keep that free so that really anybody can come.
I was like living out of a Saturn for 6 years. Don't feel bad, like a 4-seater, no bath, not a bad gig, you know what I mean?
Stand-up comedy has not traditionally been a very friendly place to women and people from other marginalized communities. It's kind of always been a boys' club.
My name is Aaron James, or as most men call me, are you using this chair? And I will totally respond to either, so.
But there's a lot of stand-up in LA, and I think what sets this show apart is that it's really focused on women and queer people and people of color. It's a monthly event, so we get a lot of people who come every month. And then we always have new people who are coming by to check it out. So it's a really fun way to introduce people to the store.
It can be very emotional here.
There have been more than one customer who's cried.
Yeah. Romance is the literature of hope. So to come to this bookstore every day where people are finding those stories and sharing them, it's really heartening to see.
It's when customers find a romance novel that they really feel represents themselves, especially if they haven't been able to find one before. Romance is really trying to push itself forward in terms of racial diversity and diversity of sexuality. I think when people are able to see those books and hold them in their hands, they really feel validated and seen, and that's really exciting for us to be able to facilitate.
I think especially that their love stories is so special, because to see someone who looks like you getting a happy ending is so meaningful for a lot of people.